Hello everyone, so let's have a discussion on the topic electoral bonding. So it's in the magazine of February 2024. So let's see what is EB means. EB is an electoral bonding scheme. So electoral bond means a bond issued in a nature of a promissory note which shall be a bearer banking instrument and should not carry the name of the buyer or pay. Okay, so let's discuss the features of EB. So the first feature is it is issued to a purchaser on a non-refundable basis, and it could be purchased by a citizen of India will be eligible to provide the bond from SBI, and it could be used for the donating only to the registered parties. And the last feature is each electoral bonding has a alphanumeric number visible in ultraviolet rays. Okay, so I think I am forgetting one point, so let's see the points I am missing. Okay, so there are the key features of the EB, that are: the court issued the following directions: directed SBI to submit the ECI, which is known as Election Commission of India, the following information with the 3 weeks of judgment, that is details of electoral bonds purchased since the court order, with details like date of purchase, name of purchasers, and denomination of electoral bond purchase. So the details of political parties which have received contributions to the electoral bonds since the order, with details like encashment date and denomination of electoral bond, and the directed ECI to publish the information shared by the SBI on its official website within 1 week of the receipt of the information, and the valid electoral bonds which are not encashed must be returned to the issuing bank, which could refund the amount of the purchase amount. Thank you.